Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because no one ever taught them this. Ever wondered why most people stay broke, even when they have a decent salary? It's not because they don't earn enough. It's because of how they use their money. Most people get paid, and within days, the money is gone. Rent, bills, food, subscriptions, and suddenly, $0 left. This is called living paycheck to paycheck. Here's the truth. Money without a plan always disappears. The first reason people stay broke is that they don't budget. They don't tell their money where to go. So it goes everywhere. The second reason is bad debt. Credit cards feel easy, but interest slowly keeps you behind. When interest works against you, you work harder just to stay in the same place. The third reason is simple. Most people never invest. Their money sits still, while inflation quietly makes it worth less. Rich people don't do anything magical. They just follow simple rules. They track their money, they avoid bad debt, and they invest early. Because when you invest early, time works for you. Staying broke is not about income. It's about habits. Change your habits, and your money starts to change too. If this helped you understand money better, subscribe to the channel for simple finance videos that actually make sense.